Welcome to my channel. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and comment. In this math tutorial, we are solving a surd equation. Now, on this equation, I want you to realize that the lowest common denominator is given by 2 minus 3 root x and 2 plus 3 root x. Now, we are going to divide this into that. You are going to get that. You multiply that by 1. So, you are going to say 2 plus 3 root x, and you do the same thing on the next term. You divide that into that, you are going to get 2 minus 3 root x times 1. So that will be simply 2 minus 3 root x, and that is equal to 3. Now, we are going to simplify what we have in the numerator. We are going to have 2 plus 3 root x plus 2 minus 3 root x, and that is being divided by our lowest common denominator, and that is 2 minus 3 root x multiplied by 2 plus 3 root x is equal to 3. Right now, we are going to use the difference of two squares on that part. All right, we are going to say a squared minus b squared is equal to a minus b and a plus b. So we're just going to use it on that. So we are going to say this denominator is equivalent to 4 minus 9x, because I'm saying 2 squared minus 3 root x squared. And then the numerator, this is going to cancel that. Then we're going to have 2 plus 2, and that gives us 4 is equal to 3. Now just need to solve that equation. We are going to cross multiply 4 minus 9x to the other side. Like, we can just multiply 4 minus 9x throughout the equation. If we do it on that, we are going to remain with 4 is equal to, we multiply again 4 minus 9x to the other side is equal to 3 multiplied by 4 minus 9x. Now we are going to simplify that further. We're going to have 4 is equal to 3 by 4, that is 12, then minus 27x. All right. Now, if you take this 12 to the other side, you are going to get 4 minus 12 is equal to minus 27x. Now, that's going to give you minus 8 is equal to minus 27x, and you divide by minus 27 on both sides. Divide by minus 27. Therefore, we say x is equal to 8 over 27. And we've come to the end of this session. Thanks for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and comment. Enjoy your day.